In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite products that are affordable, budget friendly, yet perform very nice. Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. Let's begin. So the first up is the Dove body wash. Now I'm clearly obsessed with the Dove Bath and Body range. Now this one comes in a 1000 ml bottle and this will last you for like 5 or 6 months straight. The best thing is that this retails for around 400 or 500, like something in this range. This will always be on discount. I mean, the original price is something. The original price says $849, but this is always on discount on Nykaa and I've never purchased it for more than 500 rupees. So this is a steal deal for this much ml of product. Now this one is in raspberry and lime scent, which is a perfect mix of a fresh and a fruity fragrance. Smells incredible. It lathers beautifully on your body and keep your body very nourished and moisturized after you come out of the shower. And the best thing, it lathers really nicely on your body. So I just love using this. इसमें बहुत सारे variants हैं. I think 10-12 तो होंगे. I've used I think almost all. Very nice. This one is a highly recommended product. Love this. So after you come out of the shower, you need something to moisturize your body, right? So next up is a body lotion from Nivea. Sorry. Nivea. So Nivea, everybody knows about this. I mean, everybody knows about Dove also. But there are a lot of products in market. I mean, lot of products in every category that we can choose from. But there is something about the Nivea body lotion that I keep coming back to these. Because firstly, I am a very dry girly when it comes to my body. I have a little allergy on my legs. Like some part of my legs have some dry patches and it tends to get very itchy if my legs are not moisturized well. So I have to use a body lotion or maybe a body oil in some, in winters or whenever the season changes, my allergy tends to get worse. So I have to use a good body lotion. Now that's when the body lotion comes really handy. Now this one is in the Coco Nourish variant. It has a lot. I think this one also has 4-5 variants. I've used their normal original body lotion. I've used their shea butter one, and I think the rose one as well. And now the Coco Nourish. I love the fragrance of this one. This one is very mildly sweet kind of a fragrance which will linger on my body. It does moisturize my body throughout the day, and on normal days after using this I don't feel my body very itchy or dry. So it is doing its job very nicely without making a dent in your pocket. So this one retails for 550, but on Nykaa you'll always find it on some kind of discount, and I have always purchased this under 400, like 350 or 400 के range में ही मैंने इसको हमेशा खरीदा, and it's really good. And you get a 400 ml of the product. You get a 400 ml of the product, which is a steal deal because I use it every day after shower on my entire body. So this lasts me for 1 to 1.5 months, which is a great deal. But if you're not using it daily, this might last you for 2 or 3 months because it's a huge bottle. The next up we have the Schwarzkopf Spa Essence Hair Mask. Now this again is a 500 ml product and we get it for, this retails for 660. Now this one is not always on sale, but if you're lucky you can get it for 500 as well. But 660 rupees for this much quantity of hair mask is also not bad. Trust me, this one is a very beautiful texture. Look at this. It's a very lightweight in texture. Now I don't like hair masks. I mean, I love it for my lens. What do you love? Tell them first. So I don't love those hair masks that are very thick, because if I use it on my scalp will start getting oily very quickly. So usually it takes 2 days for my scalp to get oily after washing my hair. But after using a thick hair mask, it will get oily the very next day, which is not a very good feeling. So I avoid using the thick hair mask on my scalp and I use it on my ends. But this one is a very light hair mask and I use it on my scalp and on my lens, and this gets rinsed off also very quickly and my scalp does not get oily the very next day. So I love it, and it has a very mild scent to it. Now I have the Dot & Key tinted sunscreen with me. I've talked about this in my previous video but wanted to talk about it again because I think I might have found a dupe. I mean, this is the dupe of my favorite Bioderma Photoderm Aquafluid SPF. Now this one was suggested to be by my dermat, but this retails for around 1800 or 1900, which is a lot for a 50 ml product. No, 40 ml product. तो बहुत ज़्यादा है वो. And this comes in 50 ml and costs around 500 rupees. You can also get this one on off. Now I'll compare the textures. This is the Dot and Key. So water-like, just melts into the skin very beautifully. See. See. Now the Bioderma. This is also very water-like, absorbs really nicely into the skin. But this one has one con. I feel that when I use it around my eyes, मेरी आँखों में थोड़ी जलन होती है. Like not every time, but sometimes I do feel कि मुझे थोड़ा जलन कर रहा है आँखों में. We have a clear winner. This performs ditto, same to same like the Bioderma one, and is half the price. It's a great deal. Now comes the last product of today's video, which is the Palmer's Coconut Hydrate Hand Cream. Now I've talked about this in my previous videos, but I cannot leave this one out from this video because this is literally the product that is affordable and will give you a luxe finish. I'm saying this because I have a hand cream to compare. Now I have this L'Occitane's hand cream with me, which is an expensive hand cream, and it's very famous for its thickness and how beautifully it moisturizes the dry hands. Now as you can see, ऐसे मैंने push किया इसको, so it stands straight. It's that thick. And it's a really nice hand cream. I would not deny. I love using this at night. I don't use it on daily basis, but I love using it when I'm feeling a little extra, or maybe when my hands are really dry, so I love using it at night. But the Palmer's hand cream, I just throw it in my bag, in my office bag, in my travel bag, because it comes in such an affordable price that I love using it and love repurchasing it again and again. And I love its fragrance. It is a coconutty sweet kind of a fragrance. So if you're not a fan of that, you might not like that, but I love it. So I love keeping it in my every bag. I love using it. I'll keep repurchasing it. I might think of the L'Occitane ones, but for Palmer's, it will be in my cart forever. I love it. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye bye.